So got a very unusual one today. GMC two-door Yukon. This particular truck I got a pretty soft spot for two reasons. One, the original owner of this was the father of a good friend of mine slash semi-daily employee, because he's one of our tire reps. I've been ordering stuff from him for probably 20 plus years. Well, on top of that, I bought one of these exact trucks in 1998 and still have it today. Same color, other than mine is not the two-tone. This paint on this truck is original. Again, completely original paint and factory two-tone in these colors with the factory fender flares. There is no rust, and it's been indoors its whole life. The headlights, marker lights, and corner lights, which are easy and quick to replace, have not been replaced. They're factory. He serviced and maintained this at the dealership and at the Firestone store. That's why it's got Firestone tires its whole life. We did not put any paint under this truck because I did not want to hide anything. As you can see, just the factory surface rust on the frame, and that is it. A quick coat of some black paint and that is all gone. But everybody complains when stuff's painted that we're hiding stuff. Every dealer gets the same complaints. So I did not touch the undercarriage of this with any paint. It doesn't need it, but sure would look good. But we're not gonna touch it. The only thing not original about this, and there's where it came from, brand new, in Richmond. Richmond truck its whole life. Factory sticker still on the hitch. Obviously, again, not rusty. Of course, somebody out there is going to make a smart ass comment about rust. So if you go consider surface rust, then yeah, it's got some rust. Factory door tag. Bottoms of the doors, crisp and clean. Look at that seat. Power seat at that with lumbar. Carpet. Factory floor mats in the floor. Factory headliner. Of course, these droop like always, but he's got them pinned up. No cracks in the dash at all. Does have aftermarket trailer brake control. That is the only thing not factory. Console's not broke. Pop the hood. Oh yeah, 97,000 original miles. So one owner, no rust, 97,000 miles. One of the rarest of rare two-door Yukons with a 5.7. Look under the hood. Look at this thing. Freaking incredible. No modifications. Fluids are still nice and clean. And they just don't get any nicer. For the paint to be in this good of a shape, little rock nicks right there, that is it. But picky people and garage kept have saved this truck. They truly don't get any cleaner. Now, if we were some of those dealers out there that would, mark this as a barn find, which, legitimately I guess it is. I don't mind telling you, you can research, you'll see. This truck, I could price it at 40 grand. It will bring it. But we're not. It's 20 grand. 20 grand is what it takes to buy it. Still has the factory spare. Chances are another dealer will buy it and they will mark it up. That's okay. But we're just selling it at a fair price. Everybody complains about prices. Again, we don't set the mark. We put our profit on it, we sell it, and we're happy. Well, somebody's getting a steal on this truck. I wouldn't take 20 for mine, and it has no paint. It's got 200,000 miles. The carpet looks like a dog's lived in it, but I've used the truck for whatever, 20 plus years now, so. But I wouldn't take 20 grand for it in a million years, just because of what they are. So here's a cool truck, legit. Hopefully this video helps. Fender flares are not hiding anything that are factory. I had to ask him twice to make sure they don't even pull up, you know, like aftermarket ones. Those have been on there since the day the truck was new. He ordered it two-tone, did not know they were going to be two-tone like that, but that's how they came. Tires are pretty fresh. Service is fresh. Truck needs nothing. Even has the keyless entry, which is usually long since lost and gone. Actually works. Check it out on the website, davis4x4.com. Don't snooze on this truck. It will not last. Bet it's not here more than a day or two.